Your TV picture is flickering? Grab some tape. Let's fix it. This fix is universal for all TV models. Every TV has a different opening process. This is one of the new screwless Samsung TVs. Samsung has a special tool for opening it, but a simple butter knife will do the job with brute force. You might crack one or two plastic clips. That's irrelevant.
If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Under the cover, everything is metal, so you can't damage anything inside. The problem is right here, in these ribbon cables going into the panel. You need to tape the connectors from the ribbon cables step by step, again and again and again. Every time you try, you get different results, like different flickering spot, half of the screen gone, or just no screen at all. Until you find the sweet spot, the faulty connectors.